Smartphones are for everyone, be it a user of any shade, any segment, any cohort, any category. Uh, a smartphone is a device that is required. It's not today just a device to show off, but it is the device which connects, which empowers every human being. Now, for that, it has to be affordable, it has to be experiential, those things are fine, but at the same time, it has to be accessible. OEMs as well as the OS makers have done a lot in recent years to make these smartphones accessible. There are many features out there which help or enhance the accessibility, be it for elderlies or be it for people with some or the other kind of challenge out there. And there are technologies which are enabling them to use these smartphones. But I was recently attending a briefing of a smartphone OEM wherein they were discussing the design. I'll not get into the specifics which OEM because I believe it's not their fault. Everyone in the industry thinks like that, so it will be unfair to pinpoint and kind of make them responsible of this issue because it's an industry issue out there. Uh, there is definitely a right hand bias in smartphone designing. Look at the positioning of the buttons, very critical buttons. They are fundamentally, right hand user friendly. There are some cases out there if we can discuss them. Now, look at, for instance, the fingerprint sensor. If it is not, in the display, earlier it also used to be at the back of the phones. That I would say was, user kind of agnostic, be it a right hand user or a left hand user. But if it is, and mostly, I would say predominantly, it is on the right side of the phone. So it is somewhere for the right hand user, not for the left hand user. Similarly, power off on off button is always on the right hand side. You will rarely find a phone where you will find it on the left hand side. Volume rocker is also primarily on the right hand side. In some phones, it is on the left hand side. Action buttons are on the left side because that is seen as a secondary button. Camera control is on the right. Again, if you look at the positioning and the use case, it looks like it has been made for a right hand user. So I still believe that the designing of smartphones is definitely, uh, you know, right hand user biased. Would love to have your thoughts on it. It might look a small issue. Maybe somebody has not raised the concern over it, or maybe the OEMs have not reached out to left-hand users asking their feedback about this. Because we have to understand there are, as per some estimates, there are 10 to 12% left-handies across the world, which is a substantial number. So if we have to make phones accessible and usable for all, user-friendly, I think we'll have to take care of these left-handies as well. Now, we may not, maybe it may not be conducive or it may not be convenient for OEMs to, have separate variants for right-handers and left-handers. Not possible. But maybe there are some things which can be done at the design level that it is made agnostic in that way that it is easy for a right-hander as well as a left-hander to use the phone without any hassle. Uh, some might even try out having double buttons and you select whether you want to use it right hand or left hand. That's one of the options, but maybe that will add up to the cost and may not be, feasible for the design. Uh, Maybe there is something else. I don't know right now. Maybe there are soft buttons which can come onto the screen and that then it becomes easy for right-handers and left-handers to use phones. That's something I think time will find out a solution to it, and we'll have to collectively find out a solution. I would love to interact with people who are left-handies and understand how convenient or easy is it for them to use the phones right now. This will be an interesting thing to understand. If you are a left-handy, please reach out to me, connect with me, and I would love to have this conversation with you. Meanwhile, would want to understand thoughts of the extended users. What are your thoughts around it? Is it really a problem? Is it worth addressing? Is it something that we need to look at? Let me know your thoughts. I'll be back with you in another Tech Byte. Till then, enjoy tech.